Hi, I'm Chef Sally from the National Mango Board, and I'll be showing you how to make a beautiful mango trifle. First, we're going to be making a fresh mango mousse with fresh mango puree and lighten it up with some meringue and whipped cream. And we'll be layering it with mango chiffon and fresh mangoes. So for our mango trifle, we're going to start by making the mango mousse. I'm going to add fresh mango puree into a pot with some fresh lime juice. So the main reason we are cooking this puree is really to cook off the enzyme of bromelain, which is prevalent in mangoes. For the gelatin to set, we need to actually denature that bromelain with heat. So you'll know when this mixture is ready when it slightly boils, but not a full boil. Tiny bubbles means it's at the scald. Let's add the gelatin. After it's dissolved, I'm going to chill this slightly just to room temperature so we can fold in the rest of our ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on my Swiss meringue. So I'll be adding my egg whites into my bain-marie bowl, so it's a bowl over simmering water, and whisking it with sugar until the sugar is dissolved. So to keep your egg whites from cooking, make sure you're stirring fast and your heat is also on a medium-low heat. To check for the doneness and the egg whites is to just feel it with your fingertips if you feel the granulated sugar. Oh, that's gone. We are good. Now that the sugar is dissolved, I'm going to whip this mixture in a stand mixer once it's like a medium stiff peak. So to check our meringue is done, we just do the little whip test and this is what we want. So next I'm going to fold in my mango puree and some soft whipped cream. The mango puree should be room temp before going into our egg whites. So I whipped this cream ahead of time and kept it cold in the fridge. And so basically you want a soft peak. You want it to be kind of runny. You don't want this to be over whipped, or else when you fold it into your mousse, it's gonna break it and it's not gonna be very nice on the palate at all. So folding is gently stirring my ingredients and to incorporate them, but really using like a spatula and just kind of going to the bottom of the bowl and bringing it back up so that you're not really like over mixing it, because that can knock out air and you want this to stay nice and fluffy. We're gonna go ahead and chill this in the fridge before we assemble our trifle. I've gone ahead and put my chilled mousse into a piping bag. To start, I'm going to add a little bit of mango mousse and then a layer of mango chiffon cake. And this cake is very light and airy, and it's got a very nice crumb that's going to soak in a lot of the mango juices and a little bit of that lime syrup. So the lime syrup, it's keeping our cake nice and moist. Mangoes are becoming one of the most popular fruits in the world, and for good reason. They're very versatile, super delicious, fresh like this with this cake. One thing about this trifle is the more mango, the better. You want to keep a little bit of the mousse to cover the top. Now comes the fun part. I'm gonna decorate the top with some nice sliced mangoes and like a little bit of an ornate, organic, swirly decor. You should really cut the mangoes almost as thinly sliced as you can get it. That's really gonna give you an opportunity so that your mangoes can kind of swirl in a nice pattern. So this is a really pretty dish that you can make for a gathering that serves a lot of people. It's beautiful, it's fresh, it's delicious, it's fairly easy. If you don't have a trifle dish, you can absolutely make these in a bowl. It's nice if you use something that's see-through, like a glass container of some sort. So these are also great in individual portions, so everyone can have their own single serving. Definitely keep it in the fridge until it's ready to serve. I know these were just made, but I cannot wait to try one. Gotta get all that mango cake. Definitely don't skimp on mango. Lots of mango, super refreshing, nice and light and fluffy mousse and cake. It's a party. This is great. This is really good. Thanks for tuning in. For more mango how-to recipes or information, visit mango.org to learn more.